Yes, students, in the previous class we studied about the ordered list. Today we are going to see unordered list. How to create the unordered list. Unordered list is also known as bulleted list. Just you see in the diagram, in the figure, you see here, this is the unordered list. But the ordered list means numbered list. That will be numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. And here Roman letter 1, 2, 3, 4 also you can give. Here unordered list you can have circle, square, disc like this. These are all known as the unordered list. The syntax for the unordered list is given here. UL type is equal to disc or circle or square. Anyone you can give. And you give the list items. Okay. Now we see the program. Unordered list you see here. Example. First you have to give the HTML coding. And next you give the heading, title, unordered list. And you give the body of the program. In that you are giving font size equal to 20. And you are going to prepare unordered list that you are giving. Next to UL, it is the unordered list tag you give. And next you give the list items, honey, milk and coffee. And next you close the unordered list. And next one, square type unordered list you are giving. For that also you give UL type is equal to square and list item honey you are giving and you are closing the unordered list. Next for the circle you give unordered list type is equal to circle and you give list item within that you give milk. And next unordered list disk means you give type is equal to disk and you give list item within that you are giving coffee. And you are closing the font and the body tag also we are closing, HTML tag also we are closing. Now you can get this type of output on the screen, figure 6.3. If you are giving circle means it will show you the circle as the unordered list and the square means square shape it will show you and also disk means disk it will show you. Okay. Next one, nested list. Nested list means a list within the another list. List inside another list is known as the nested list. Here you see example program also given here. Before that you see shop 1, in that item 1 from shop 1, item 2 from shop 1 and you are going to give shop 2. Here also item 1 from shop 2, item 2 from shop 2 and like this you are giving shop 3 like that you are giving. For that example given here HTML coding, you have to give the HTML tag, head tag, title tag and you close the head tag and title tag and body tag you are opening. Here you are giving quiz shows today. You see figure 6.4 for this output what type of HTML coding we have to write given here. And unordered list you are giving type is equal to disk and in the list item you are giving maths quiz show. Next you are giving ordered list type that is Roman letter small I, that is 1. Next you are giving list item Rahul Sharan and Vivek Tandon, that is list item and you are closing the ordered list. Again you are giving the list item science quiz show, for that you are giving ordered list that is number as 1 and 2 Roman letter small letter. Next you are giving Kavita Kumari and Hiten Dixit. These are all the list items you are giving and you are closing the ordered list and again you are closing the unordered list, body tag closed and HTML tag also closed. For this HTML coding you are getting the output like this. This is nested list. You see figure 6.4. First maths quiz show, that is unordered list, that is dot symbol given, dot means that is disk, and second also science quiz show, for that also here given the disk and within that you are giving ordered list, that is 1, 2 Rahul Sharan, Vivek Tandon and 1 Kavita Kumari, second Hiten Dixit. Okay, is it clear to all? Now we pass on to the next one, definition list. Next definition data list description. First you see DT. What does this DT stands for? Definition list term. DD means definition list description and DL means definition list. So here syntax given, you have to give DL outside and DT, DD and you are closing DD first, DT second, next DL last. So DL means definition list, DT means definition list term, DD means definition list description. For that one example program given here, you see the same HTML opening tag, head opening tag, title opening tag. In that you are giving use of DL, DT and TD tags, and you are closing the title and you are closing the head. Next you are opening the body tag. The font size you are giving 22 and defining terms within their description, and you are closing the font tag. Now you are opening the DL. DL means definition list. In the definition list you are giving DT. What do you mean by DT? Definition list term, that is expedite, and you are closing that. Again you are giving DD. What is this DD? Definition list description. They expedite means cause to be accomplished more quickly, and you are closing the DD tag. Next you are giving DT expedition, and you are closing DT, and again you are giving DD, a journey undertaken by a group of people within a particular with a particular purpose, and you are closing the DD tag. Now you are going to close the DL tag and body tag closing, next HTML closing tag. And next we are going to see about the image tag. Just you see figure 6.6 for this type of national flag or any other picture related to that, how to give the HTML coding. For that you see here the IMG tag. IMG means image tag, that is graphics interchange format, GF format, and also joint photographic expert group, that is JPEG files. These are all the files we are using for that. Here we are having 8-bit and 256 colors it is supporting, and here image tag attributes given here. Align means you can align, left align, right align, top, bottom and middle. And border means attributes basis the border around the image. Just you see in figure 6.6, here you are having one line border and it takes the value in pixels. Next SRC. SRC means defining the path of the image, that is the value is given to this attribute is in the form of URL. URL means uniform resource locator. Next width, that is used to set the width of the image on the page, that is also you have to give in pictures. Next ALT, this attribute contains the alternate text for an image. It appears on the web page if the image does not appear, either image or the textual message instead of the image it will show you. And syntax given here, IMG SRC is equal to URL and align, right align, border value you have to give, for the width also you have to give value, and alt alternate text. And you see the example here, head HTML opening tag, head opening tag, title opening tag, and within that you are giving use of image tags and closing the title, closing the head. Next you are opening the body tag. In the body tag you are giving national flag, that is the in paragraph tag, P tag you are giving. Next IMG SRC is equal to C, that is it is from the hard disk, that is C disk. For the file size and also the where is the file, the JPEG file you are giving. Next border size 2 you are giving, with the 300 given, and alt image is not available. If the image can't show, it will show you the textual message image is not available, and you are closing the body tag and the HTML tag. Whenever you are seeing this in the theoretical format, it will be somewhat difficult for you to understand. Whenever you are doing that practically, it is very easy for you to understand, and also very interesting topic. Okay, already I told you how to do the practical. First you have to type this HTML coding in any one of the text editor, whether that may be Notepad or Wattpad, and after that you save it in the file with the extension .html or HTML, and now you select any one of the web browser and open that particular file and run the browse it, choose the file, and then you open that, the particular output will be displayed on the page. That is like this you can give HTML coding and create your own web page.